Git projects. What does Git project mean? A Git project is essentially a repository where your code, commits, branches, and history are stored. It is the place where all your work is tracked using Git. It means you have code to manage, or you want to track changes, or you collaborate with others, or you want version control. So Git project equals repository plus history plus collaboration plus organization. Why Git projects matter? It is important because keeps your code organized, tracks every change made to the project, allows collaboration with teammates, helps manage multiple features or experiments, prevents code loss. Without Git projects, cross-mark changes can be lost. Cross-mark collaboration is difficult. Cross-mark hard to track progress. Cross-mark version control is missing. Cross-mark risky deployment. With Git projects, checkmark all code is versioned. Checkmark teams can work together. Checkmark history is preserved. Checkmark features can be tested safely. Checkmark rollback is possible. Why you might need a Git project? This usually happens when you start a new software project. You work with multiple developers. You want to track history. You need to manage releases. You want to experiment with features. Without a Git project, crossmark hard to manage code. Crossmark no backup of previous versions. Crossmark conflicts in collaboration. Crossmark no tracking of changes. With a Git project, checkmark organized repository. Checkmark safe experimentation. Checkmark track every change. Checkmark team collaboration. Typical situations where this is needed. Common scenarios. Starting a new app or website. Managing open source contributions. Team projects in a company. Experimenting with multiple features. Organizing code for deployment. Example. Create project means add files means commit changes means push to GitHub. Why? Structured workflow. Easy collaboration. Safe history. Easy feature tracking. Basic workflow for Git projects. First checks. Create a repository. Add project files. Commit changes. Create branches for features. Push to remote repo. Merge when ready. Why? Keep history clean. Separate work streams. Safe collaboration. Easy rollback. Fix 1. Create a new Git project. Use when you start a new project. Result. Repository is ready for commits. Why? Start tracking code. Team can collaborate. History starts from day 1. Warning danger. Crossmark not initializing repo. Crossmark ignoring. Git ignore. Good practice. Checkmark initialize repo correctly. Checkmark add meaningful readme. Checkmark use Git ignore for unnecessary files. Fix 2. Organize files and folders. Use when project grows in size. Result. Code is structured and easy to navigate. Why? Easier maintenance. Collaboration is smoother. Reduce conflicts. Bad practice. Crossmark random files. Crossmark no folder structure. Good practice. Checkmark use logical folder structure. Checkmark group features or modules. Checkmark keep documentation organized. Fix 3. Use branches for features. Use when you want to work on multiple features. Result. Separate branches for different work. Why? Avoid breaking main code. Test new features. Easier collaboration. Bad practice. Crossmark work directly on main. Crossmark no feature separation. Good practice. Checkmark branch for each feature. Checkmark merge after testing. Checkmark keep main stable. Fix 4. Collaborate safely. Use when working in a team. Result. Team can push and pull safely. Why? No conflicts. History preserved. Everyone can contribute. Warning danger. Crossmark force push to main. Crossmark ignoring pull before push. Good practice. Checkmark pull before pushing. Checkmark resolve conflicts carefully. Checkmark communicate and commit messages. Daily workflow for Git projects. Safe workflow. Commit small changes. Use branches for features. Pull before pushing. Push to remote frequently. Test before merging. Why? Clean history. Safe collaboration. Reduced conflicts. Organized workflow. Common mistakes that cause problems. Working directly on main. No branches for features. Ignoring. Git ignore. Skipping commits. Force pushing frequently. Why? History is messy. Conflicts increase. Code can be lost. Team slows down. How Git projects affect teams. When done wrong. Broken builds. Conflicts everywhere. Delayed releases. Lost work. When done right. Checkmark clean repository. Checkmark team collaboration works. Checkmark history is safe. Checkmark smooth releases. Real life analogy. Git project is like a diary for your code. Write daily means track changes means review history means share with friends. No diary equals forget changes. Git project equals everything is recorded. In simple words, Git project means create repository means track files means commit changes means collaborate safely. Fix equals start repo, organize files, use branches, push to remote. Best practices for Git projects. Use checkmark feature branches. Checkmark commit often. Checkmark clear commit messages. Checkmark Git ignore for unneeded files. Checkmark remote repository backup. Avoid crossmark working directly on main. Crossmark big commits. Crossmark messy file structure. Crossmark force push without caution. Crossmark ignoring remote updates. Git projects help you organize code, track changes, collaborate with teams, test features safely, avoid mistakes. A good Git project workflow. Checkmark uses commits wisely. Checkmark uses branches. Checkmark maintains history. Checkmark supports teamwork. Checkmark builds confidence.